Oh, this is a good one, I think. Dang, dude, they're just fighting like. Yeah, get bigger. Dude, they are feisty right now. Swim bait's getting a little messed up. The 6 pound mono, or I mean the 6 pound braid is amazing out here. Cause this water's so stained. Bigger. Now I can hog them in, I feel comfortable. Woo! They're getting bigger. Oh, maybe they're getting bigger.
Oh my
right at the drop. Here, hold this one good. That was nice.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Okay, hold them on your thumb real hard. Squeeze them hard. Go show your dad. Oh, it's all right. You gotta squeeze them hard.
His teeth. Oh, that's a big one.
There's a little guy fighting like crazy, dude.
That thing's tiny.
Oh.
It was a tiny little.
Yeah. Oh no. Dude, they're fighters though. I'm telling you, dude. This one's not gonna get off. Jesus, buddy, you put up a hell of a fight. Choked it too. Yeah, baby little bass. Dude, he fought like crazy.
They're fucking hungry today, bro.
Yeah, there's. Oh, he's chomping on my finger. Come on, buddy, let me get this out of you. Hold on, buddy. There it goes. Dude, that was on the drop. He's coming right at me. That's crazy. That was right on the drop. Jeez, buddy, relax. Jesus. Dude, these things are serious right now. Second one on the drop again. 2 in a row. Smaller. Nice.
Good job, man.
Wow.
Oh,
Finally got
God,
a
I barely
decent
got
kitty
it.
cat.
Damn.
Watch that hook. Oh, you got it right on the outside. Holy moly.
I barely even
nose.
got him.
Right through the nostril.
Nice one, dude.
Dang.
That's a
Bigger
good
than
one.
a river.
Hey.
Good catch on the night crawler.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
That's-
switching to a nightcrawler.
They feel big, huh?
It's kind of big.
Catfish? Hey, there's a broken lure. Ain't tight my drag. Oh yeah. Getting bigger, boys. This is on a broken lure. It's a nice bass. Yeah. On a broken lure. That's what's got a little more weight to it.
He looks pretty heavy.
Wanna give him a kiss?
Nope, but I definitely will hold him.
You wanna hold him? We'll hold him strong.
Hold him strong.
Really strong. Right, see that little in between there? Yeah, put your thumb in there and squeeze hard down. There you go. Wanna hold him up a little bit more? There you go. Nice. Okay. Oh,
No!
let's go let him back.
Frick.
He's trying to get back.
He just whacked my
Look,
belly.
he's finding his way back. There he goes.
He just whacked my belly.
Tore that thing up. I'm gonna still fish with. Little ones. I know, I'll get another one. They're looking up. This one's smaller.